Hey guys, so I'm back with these two designs for you. I painted these for the AZNailartchallenge on Instagram. I've been doing it all throughout Corona and all that the past few months. The challenge this time round was I for Ikat and also J for Japan. So I hope you enjoy. So I'm starting off with the Ikat design first, which I thought was really cute. So I started off with painting all of my nails with Picture Polish Paris. So this lovely corally peachy pink. And I did 2 coats of that. It's got little hollow flecks in it as well, that's beautiful. And then I'll go in with acrylic paint. I'm just painting a deep V at the bottom of my nail at the tip. Try to thicken up the lines a little bit. And then once I was happy with that V, I filled in the top part of my nail with Rose, also from Picture Polish. And then going in with a black acrylic paint, I'm just lightly dragging lines along the edges of that deep V I painted. Try and create the messy Ikat look around the bottom. And this is great because you haven't exactly got to paint straight lines, so it's awesome. Just literally just flicking the brush to create the fur-like effect. And finally, a glossy top coat. Sometimes I like to do 2 glossy top coats on acrylic paint, but this one was alright. And I left the index and pinky finger with just Paris. And there you go, these Ikat nails, and I was so happy with the way they come out. These polishes just look stunning together. So the next design I have for you is a J for Japan. And so I started off with painting my index and my pinky fingers with Double Decker from Picture Polish. It's this jelly red hollow. It is beautiful, but it took me so many coats to try and get opacity over my clear nails. And on my middle and ring finger, I painted white. So I'm just going in with my Moyu London Tourist 11 plate, and I'm just stamping the sushi in black. And then leaving it on the stamper, I'm using China Glaze Vest Friends for the sushi, what's it called? Seaweed wrap. And then I just filled in the rice part with white. I just realised this is the second sushi design I've done, and I've never eaten sushi. And then with that same plate from Moyu London, I'm just stamping the origami, little crane. And I just decided to fill it in with Double Decker red. Sorry, it's off camera. And then I also stamped, same plate, the little sumo wrestler in black. And again, leaving it on the stamper, I just filled in his little body white. Because I was trying to go with, you know, the Japan's flag colours are red and white. So I kind of wanted to stick with that. So here I am with a sponge. I'm just applying some glossy top coat to it and dabbing it all along all of my nails to create a sticky base. And then I'm just stamping on those decals on each of the nails. So here I'm just stamping the crane on that white nail. And in here I'm just creating a sticky base again and stamping the sushi. And creating another sticky base. I'm just stamping on the sumo wrestler. And so for my ring finger, I'm using that same plate, but a red stamping polish this time. And I'm stamping the words that say Tokyo, 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 Tokyo. And I just stamped that on my ring finger. And I was so amazed with the coverage of this red polish. It's from Twinkle Tea. I'll leave links in the description box below. And finally, smudge resistant top coat. And there you go, these Tokyo nails. I love these, they came out quite cool. Oh, so there you go, there's 2 designs for you. Please let me know which one's your favourite. I can't actually choose. I'm a little bit torn between the 2 of them. If you like these, give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and subscribe would be good. Thanks so much for watching. Bye!